Select the best reagent to accomplish the following transformation. So we want to look and see what is our starting material and what is our product and determine what sort of reaction we are looking at. And so if we look at our starting material, we have an alkyl halide, bonds to 2 carbon atoms on that carbon that has a halogen. So this is a secondary alkyl halide. And the product is an alkene. And specifically, we want to note where this alkene has formed. We see that it is at the end of the chain. So specifically, we have formed the least substituted alkene. And so because we formed the least substituted alkene, this is an indication that we would have had to take an E2 pathway in order to have control over the regiochemistry. When you do an E1 elimination, you always get the more stable, more substituted alkene. So we are definitely looking at an E2 reaction. And if we want to get that least substituted alkene, we've got to force the reaction in that direction. It's going to tend to form the more substituted alkene. In order to get the least substituted alkene, we have to force it by using a bulky base. And so a classic bulky base that we can use is something like tert butoxide. And if we want to see what that looks like, we can expand the structure and we can see where we have a lot of steric hindrance on the carbon that has that alkoxide.